Good morning. My name is Thomas Gage. As you know, many of you knows me by a few videos they are found in YouTube. In fact, I invite you to go in YouTube and find all the videos in regard to Thomas Gage against corruption, government corruption, Thomas Gage against Warren Township, Thomas Gage versus Frank Provenzano, Sheriff Frank Provenzano, Thomas Gage versus Warren Township, Thomas Gage versus Sleep Hollow Warren Township. So all this to do with this video that I'm talking about. The reason of this video that I'm doing today is for my protection and for the testimony of what's going to happen to me. The last week they tried to kill me, and I'm exposing this now to all of you so that you know that anything happened to me from now on, and obviously you have to look at my cases, which are pending cases in federal court. And right now I am a victim of this case, and I am also an eyewitness of federal investigation. What I'm about to show you now, it's a pending case that is before the judge, and I should say before the judicial proceedings in federal court. This is a complaint for attempt to hurt or kill plaintiff, which I am plaintiff in this case, and then it's before I'm going to send to the district court of Newark, and the judge, Honorable Joseph Nixon, is the magistrate judge who's in this case now. And I want to read to you about this, what happened here, and this is testimony, and there are facts. What I'm saying is no joke. This happened, it really happened. Okay, so I'm going to read you my complaint so that you will take notice. Okay, if anything happened to me, you can ask for these cases and then find out what really happened to me. Okay. Complaint for an attempt to hurt or kill plaintiff pursuant to 18 U.S.C. Code 1513, retaliating against a witness, a victim, or an informant, which I am in this case. Today, date is February the 16th, 2016. This complaint is being filed today, and it's going to be before Judge Honorable Joseph Dickinson, Magistrate Judge of the District Court of New Jersey. I'm reading the complaint to you. Law 18 U.S.C. 1513. Section 1513 complement 18 U.S.C. 1512 by prescribing conduct amounting to retaliation for participation in federal legislative, administrative, and judicial proceedings for the communication of information to federal law enforcement. Facts. On Saturday morning on February 6, 2016, going to work, I was stopped by the police in Watchung, New Jersey around 9:30 a.m. with a claim that I was driving with a suspended license. Then I was told that there was a warrant against me, so without they have served me with a warrant signed by judge and read or have told me my rights, they put me in handcuffs and took to the police station, where they began to treat me like a criminal and keep me in a cell without my consent to any of their proceedings. After a while, two of the county prosecutor officers came, and again, without they have served me with a warrant signed by a judge and read or have told me my rights, they took me in Somerset County Jail. After I clearly put them on notice that they could not take me to the Somerset County Jail, which is being managed by defendant Sheriff Frank Provenzano, who is one of the defendants in my 3 pending federal judicial proceedings, where I exposed the crimes of fraud that have inflicted on me and my family. Arrived in the Somerset County Jail, they treated me even more as a criminal, without me being one. And never I was allowed to make a call to my family or to my lawyer, Then, instead to put me in a single cell, as according to the rules of law, be separated from others, this officer locked me in a cell with other prisoners for 3 days without due process. I am an innocent man. On Monday, February 8, 16, the third day of being kidnapped, about 1:30, I was brought before the judge who established the so-called bail condition. Soon after, I was brought back to the cell, the same cell which they should not have brought me there in the first place, according to the law. On the way there, I told one of the guards that I wanted to pay my bail so that I could return home. But he ignored my request, and therefore denied of my right to be free on bail. Not only that I was denied to pay the bail, but also to use the phone to call my family, who at the same time, they were trying to contact me from the outside to find a way in which they could see me and find out what was going on. This was not possible. Once I was back cell, I packed all my stuff to be ready to leave. A young guard came to my cell and told me why I got ready to leave, and further said, "You are not going out." Then, later that evening, by complaining, I was able to expose the officer's plan to hurt or kill me, which led to my bail out and leave the Somerset County Jail. Yes, I did that. In fact, there are eyewitness testimony and records within the facility of Somerset County Jail and from the outside the facility of Somerset County Jail that proves that a well-conspired plan to hurt or kill me that evening was set in place. In retaliation for my participation in a federal judicial proceedings, where I am not only the victim of their crimes, but also a crucial federal eyewitness in my 3 pending federal judicial proceedings, where after 16 years of fighting local government corruption, I'm gonna say to you again, 16 years fighting local government corruption, and you find all this in my videos on YouTube. You can go there and find all those videos. So, I mean, this is incredible, unbelievable. I'm about to be allowed to present to a jury of my peer all my forensic criminal evidence against high-level government officers and politicians. Therefore, here there is a motive why defendants or my counterpart conspired to hurt and kill me, a witness who knows too much. Section 1513 of Title 18 embraces 2 types of conduct. First, the statute reaches threats of retaliations, and second, it reaches attempt to retaliate. I have, in this case, I have the pending judicial R. A request to the U.S. Attorney General Paul Fishman, which is a criminal complaint, okay, which has all the legal, so it was notarized and everything else on this, all the legal proceedings, and I'm requesting to inform that I'm aware of a series of offenses against criminal law of the United States have been committed in the district court resulting in the necessity of a federal grand jury investigation. This is pending. Okay, this is Paul Fishman, the Attorney General of the United States in District of New Jersey, has this. This is pending. Is valid. And then I have a letter from the Chief Judge of the District Court of New Jersey that advised the District Court Magistrate Judge Dixon that I have provide them, okay, with 300 pages of criminal evidence, forensic evidence of crime, which all the federal authority has in possess, and they are being sent by register mail, and they all received that they have knowledge of the crime. Okay, so this is this is an affidavit of facts, okay, that I follow to everybody, including the governor of Chris Christie, who defaulted on this. Okay, defaulted on this. This is a law. Okay, and also there is a pending case on the Atlantic Court. Atlantic Court in the 3rd District Circuit of Philadelphia. They have been provided with this. All the judges, they are aware of this. Okay, so I'm about to expose them. So now they have to kill me. There's a reason why now. This exhibit that I showed you proves that the defendant New Jersey judiciary, because the New Jersey judiciary branch is also defendant in my RICO case. There's a RICO case pending here, and the state judges have direct conflict to take any state judiciary action against me, because this action is federal. And the Somerset County and the sheriff are the parties involved in the attempt to hurt and kill me, a plaintiff witness, on the evening of February 8, 2016, due to the defendant being subject to a federal grand jury investigation and facing up to 30 years of jail time. This is what they're facing. In fact, even an attempt to hurt any person involved with a court case can result in 30 years of jail time. This is what I'm doing here. I'm exposing this fact. Still had to see the warrant signed by a judge. I didn't see it, so I don't know who signed it, why there is a warrant against me. I have no idea, because all the record that I have, the court proceeding, everything else, tells me that I did nothing wrong. But I did exposing judiciary corruption, political corruption. This is what the truth is about. This starts from 2004. Since they stole my property, the purpose of stealing my property, it's all this. So they did a crime, they commit another one after another one. They're not gonna, the ego they have, these people. Unbelievable. Now it's the time. I wanted to put this out there, so this is my testimony. It's truly okay. You have to, anything happened to me or to any of my family, it must be investigated. The cabal of Governor Chris Christie, the political cabal, all the cases that I've been involved in it, okay? Because there is a big tie in there, or high level of officials involved in this. Again, my name is Thomas Gage. I live in New Jersey. We're in New Jersey. And I am a victim of crime, of this outrageous crime. Unbelievable. Please, do something about it. Go on YouTube, watch all my videos, so you can get an idea what happened to me and what I'm fighting to. Okay? Again, thank you for watching this video, to take your time. God bless you. God bless all.